We welcome you to the fourth video of a series of 7 videos on the attributes of a successful person. Today's topic is relationship mastery. Relationship mastery, personal connections, quality circle. Successful people surround themselves with individuals who inspire, challenge, and support them. They intentionally cultivate relationships with those who elevate their thinking and behavior. This selective social environment creates positive influence and accountability. Deep listening. They give others the gift of their full attention and genuine interest. In conversation, they focus on understanding rather than waiting for their turn to speak. This present moment connection builds trust and intimacy in relationships. Appreciation expression. Successful individuals regularly communicate gratitude and recognition to others. They notice and acknowledge the value that people bring to their lives. This appreciative approach strengthens bonds and creates an atmosphere of mutual respect. Conflict navigation, emotional regulation. They manage their reactivity during disagreements to remain constructive rather than combative. Their self-awareness allows them to notice triggers before they escalate into harmful behaviors. This emotional discipline transforms potential confrontations into opportunities for understanding. Perspective taking. Successful people actively seek to understand situations from others' viewpoints. They ask clarifying questions and validate feelings even when they disagree with positions. This empathetic approach diffuses tension and builds bridges across differences. Solution focus. They direct conflicts toward positive outcomes rather than assigning blame. Their communication emphasizes shared goals and mutual benefit rather than personal victory. This collaborative mindset transforms problems into opportunities for stronger relationships. Leadership connection, authentic presence. They show up genuinely in their interactions, aligning their words, actions, and values. Their consistency builds trust and psychological safety for those around them. This authentic foundation enables meaningful influence beyond formal authority. Empowerment mindset. Successful leaders actively develop the capabilities and confidence of others. They delegate authority along with responsibility and create space for growth through challenge. This investment in others multiplies their impact and creates mutual success. Feedback fluency. They provide timely, specific guidance that balances affirmation with growth opportunities. Their feedback comes from a place of genuine care and commitment to excellence. This developmental approach accelerates learning and strengthens relationships. Thank you for watching. Please look for Basheer Juma on YouTube for further videos in English and Urdu. Please hold in-house training programs on this and the related topics. If this content is beneficial, kindly subscribe to the channel.